Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's do the unboxing of Redmi Note 9 Pro. I bought this Amazon. Let's do the unboxing. Hi guys, this is Note 10 Pro box. In back we have written as Snapdragon 720G, 48MP 8 quad camera, dot display and 5020 mAh battery. Let's unbox this. Let's open this. In this we have SIM ejector pin and we have pouch and some paperwork in this. Here we have quick start guide and warranty information. Let's keep this aside. And pouch. And here we have phone itself. Let's uncover the phone. Let's keep the phone aside. Let's check what's inside. We have 18-watt fast charger and cable. Cable is type C. See, it is type C cable. Let's keep all this stuff aside. Let's look at the phone. By adding pouch, look is not fading. Let's keep the pouch and switch on the phone. It's powering on and showing as Redmi powered by Android. I will quickly set up the phone and see you in the home screen. Let's have an overview. In front we have 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display and 16MP front camera and speaker grill. On top we have IR blaster and secondary noise cancellation mic. On the back we have 48, 8, 5 and 2 megapixel camera setup, and down it is written as 48MP camera. At the down we have Redmi branding. On in the bottom we have 3.5 headphone jack, Type-C port, primary microphone and speaker grill. On the right we have power key and volume rockers. On the left we have SIM tray. It is the home screen. Let's see the device info. Go to the settings. Her device name is Redmi Note 9 Pro and it is on July 6 security patch, and out of 64GB you are getting 46GB. I have used 10GB, so it's showing as 37. Let's see the RAM. Out of 4GB we are getting 1.8GB RAM out of the box. Let's see the camera. They are mainly highlighting the cameras and battery. From here we can take 48AP shots and portrait shots. We can take portraits in wide frame, cinematic view, and from here we can take night shots and panorama shots, pro shots. We can also record pro video by adjusting ISO and white balance, and from here we can see wide angle and 2x digital telephoto lens. And let's see the video quality. We can record in 4K 30, 1080p 60 fps, and also can record macro video from here, and we can take macro shots from here. Let's see the slow motion. We can record slow motion in two ways: slow and super slow, fast and super fast, time lapse. Let's see CPU-Z app. It's coming with Snapdragon 720G and model Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's check the sensors. It has all sensors: accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, magnetometer, All sensors are there. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. It's very fast and very accurate. Let's check DRM info. It shows it has wide one and certificate, so we can watch Prime Video and Netflix in HD quality. Let's check the Prime Video. It is playing in HD, so we can watch movies in HD in Prime Video and Netflix. Let's have some quick camera samples. These are back camera samples, back camera macro shots, back camera 48MP shots, back camera macro shots, and portrait shots. These are back camera. These are night samples. This is nighttime video recording. Hi guys. This is back camera sample of Redmi Note 10 Pro. I am recording this video in 4K. Check the audio and video quality and stabilization. Hi guys, this is front camera samples. I am recording this video in 1080p by using Redmi Note 10 Pro's front camera. Check the audio and video quality. It is hyperlapse video. Let's check audio and display quality.
నమస్కారం నా ప్రసాద్ మీరు చూస్తున్న ప్రసాద్ టెక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ అమెజాన్ పండగ సేల్స్ తీసుకోవాల్సిన విషయం అని తెలిసిందే ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ అయితే వాళ్ళ ఆఫర్స్ ని అండ్ సేల్ డేట్స్ అయితే రివీల్ చేసింది అక్టోబర్ 16వ తారీఖు నుంచి అక్టోబర్ 21వ తారీఖు వరకు ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ లో సేల్ అయితే జరుగుతుంది ఎస్బీఐ కార్డ్స్ మీద 10% డిస్కౌంట్ అయితే వస్తుంది అమెజాన్ అయితే ఇంకా ఆఫర్స్ గురించి ఎటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అయితే ప్రొవైడ్ చేయలేదు
స్పీకర్ ఇస్ సింగిల్ స్పీకర్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ లౌడ్
అండ్ ప్రెజెంట్ అయితే నేను అన్ని ఆఫర్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడలేదు కాకపోతే ఒకటే ఆఫర్ ఒకటే